Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Hope you're doing well. Thanks Mateo Tube for your request on to draw the Superfan. We're going to start Superfan with his chin, bottom of his head, okay, sort of in the middle of the page. Now curve for his bottom of his hat. Put his eye on, one eye here, one eye there. He's looking out to the right. Now he's got his hat on, what I call Superfan hat. A little line coming up like so. Another little line coming up like so. Now we've got to draw some spikes on. So we're going to start with this spike, curve line, and it gets narrower as it comes around like this. There's one spike. Then I'm going to let's bring this line around for the top of his head. He's got some stripes, so there's one stripe there. Now this spike comes off this at this angle. Try and keep it similar sort of size to that. Up and around and back down like this. And then we're going to bring this line around here. Going to bring a line down here, and then he's got this smallest yellow spike coming out the side on an angle like this. And this is a stripe here. Then there's a blue one out the back that you can just see. So there's his hat and his head. Now let's put his neck on. There's his neckline. Now he's going to bring his shoulder out. One shoulder out there, another shoulder out here. Now he's got this cool top on. So directly underneath his eyes, he's got a bit that comes around and up like this. And then another bit that comes down and around like so. A circle. We'll come back and add all the details in after we've got him looking good. Alright, now he's got his waistline here. And then it comes out. This is the side of his body up there. This is his arm. So this is the sleeve of his, with a yellow part on the end of his short sleeves. And then his arm comes down with his hand in there like that. Sort of tucked in behind. Now this one, he's got a cool glove on, so let's bring his sleeve over like that. Now he's got a bit of an arm there and there. Now he's got this big glove that points down, so let's bring a line around like so. And then down into the point, like that. And then out and around the Superfan. Probably around during the World Cup, I'm sure. Lots of Superfans there. Super Bowl. I'm a super fan of AFL and my team is the Adelaide Crows. Here we have part of his outfit. And a little bit of his shorts there. Now he's got a little bit of his leg showing before he's got some socks. Some stripy socks. Then he's got his blue shoe. This one's more side on, so I'm going to just draw that. And then the heel of his shoe. Coming around like so. Now on the other side he's got his skin there. Socks, 1, 2, and then his shoe comes sort of out from here like this. Big shoe looking straight at it. Sole of his shoe. I'm going to colour in Superfan's eyes. Now let's draw the soccer ball on. I'm going to use a thinner pen for this. And we're going to start with this shape here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 5-sided shape there, and then we're going to put a line coming around there, out to the edge, down, across here. We'll see a little bit of this one. That's going to be black there. Then it comes up, up. Now we see this shape, which is also a 5-sided shape, but a bit smaller. And it's also on the side like that. So I'm just going to colour that in. That one in. This is the tricky part, guys. This line comes, there's now a shape here, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to just see most of that. Colour that one in. So 5-sided black shapes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided white shapes on some of them. There we go. And we just put a line down there, and there we have our soccer ball.